The maiden replied, "No, here, take a look at me. Without my makeup, I am so ugly." Saying so, she removed the makeup from her face. But Basant was a grounded man. Looks did not matter much to him. So he replied, "I am not swayed by looks. Beauty is a temporary thing. But you are good-hearted, and that is what I like very much." The maiden was very happy to hear this. She said, "I shall give you all the happiness that a wife can give to her husband." Basant was ecstatic. He went home and told his brother that he was marrying the maiden. Sant was shocked to hear this. He told his brother, "The maiden is ugly. Why are you marrying her?" Sant tried to sway his brother's decision. Sant attacks Basant's wife. Therefore one day, Basant married the maiden. To Basant's surprise, the maiden looked beautiful. So Basant asked her, "How do you look so beautiful?" The maiden laughed and said, "I am actually beautiful. I wanted to test you. That is why I put on false makeup. I wanted to find out who loved me for my beauty and who for the sake of virtues." Basant was happy to know this. But when Sant came to know this truth, he was wild with rage. He went to Basant's house when he was not there. The maiden was surprised to see him there. Sant angrily attacked her. But Basant reached on time and fought against Sant. In the fighting that ensued, Sant was killed. The news of a brother killing a brother spread like wildfire in the city. There was shock and surprise on everyone's face. The judgment. Soon, Basant was arrested by the king's soldiers. He was taken to the king's court. Basant told the king everything. The king heard everything. Then he gave his judgment. At this point, Betal finished the story. He asked King Vikramaditya, "Vikram, tell me what judgment the king gave. If you fail to answer my question, I shall break your head into pieces." King Vikramaditya thought for a moment and then said, "Betal, the king would have given no punishment to Basant. He must have released Basant with honor. The killing of Sant was altogether justified." A satisfied Betal said, "You are absolutely right. But again, you have broken your silence. So I am going to fly away to my abode. As usual, you will chase me. But I am helpless as I am guided by my own instincts." Saying so, Betal flew off with King Vikramaditya not far behind.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.